In this video, we'll show you how to run voucher reports in ZenTreasury. Voucher reports allow you to automatically generate accounting vouchers for both realized and unrealized transactions and export them to your accounting system or ERP. We'll walk through the process step by step and show you how to review and export the generated vouchers. Before running voucher reports, make sure the required accounting setup is complete. In the accounting module, you need to have a chart of accounts, account mapping, and a voucher template. Voucher reports rely on these settings, so please configure them first if they are not already in place. Let's start by navigating to the voucher reports. Go to Reporting, and then select Voucher Report. Here, choose whether you want to run a realized voucher report or an unrealized voucher report. Step 2. Define report parameters. Start by selecting the bookkeeping start and end dates, if applicable. You can also select an entity. If you leave this field empty, ZenTreasury will include all applicable entities. Then choose the template name and the relevant module, such as foreign exchange, lease, or loan and money market. Select the voucher template that matches your accounting or ERP system format. If needed, select a portfolio. Finally, enter a voucher name to help identify the report later. Once all fields are completed, click Save. Step 3. Voucher History. After saving, the voucher is automatically transferred to the accounting module. To view it, navigate to Accounting, and then open Voucher History. Step 4. Review the voucher. In the Voucher History list, click on the 3 dots on the left side of the voucher row and select Open. Inside the voucher, you'll see the columns defined in your voucher template, such as posting date, account name, account number, reference, amount, and currency. Debit and credit postings, generated automatically based on your account mapping rules, voucher settings, and transaction data. A summary section showing total debit and credit amounts. If the voucher includes multiple transactions, each transaction will appear on its own line. Step 5. Export the voucher. Once you've reviewed the voucher, you can export it in several ways. You can download the voucher as an Excel file or a CSV file, or transfer it directly to your ERP or accounting system via API. The available export formats depend on the settings defined in your voucher template. Step 6. Running vouchers in the future. After the initial setup, running vouchers in the future is quick and easy. Simply select the voucher report you want to rerun from the voucher history listing. At the bottom of the page, define a new start and end date. Then click Add, and the new voucher report will appear at the top of the voucher history list.